If you've got little kids, there's no funner way to get them out of the house for a while than an impromptu obstacle course. And if you're a cheapskate like me, there's also nothing funner than not spending money. So today, I'm going to show you how to build 5 more obstacles using things you have lying around already, so you don't have to spend any money. But real quick, what's up? Welcome to the backyard. I'm Jeff, and this is Fun-Sized Adventures, where we will help you and your family build some backyard fun on a budget. Now let's get right into it. It's fall here in Maine, so for idea number 1, we've made use of the leaves that are all over the ground to make a little trail through the yard. This will be fun as you weave through it, and if you don't have leaves, if it's not fall where you live, you can use chalk in the driveway, because you probably got chalk in your garage somewhere. Or you can even use some garden hoses and make a little track. Either way, it'll be loads of fun. Idea number 2 is a balance beam. This one's made out of 2 paint buckets and a 2x4. You probably have these items lying around, but as a bonus tip, if you don't have any buckets, check at your local grocery store, go to the bakery department, ask if they have any empty buckets that they could give away for free, because a lot of times they get supplies, different like creams and icings in these buckets, and they just throw them away. And they'd be happy to give them to you. And then you could use those buckets for some homemade obstacle courses. That's a bonus tip. That's the kind of thing you get here at Fun-Sized Adventures. Who is ready for some gardening? No, just kidding. Idea number 3 is some sort of push or pull event on your course. This time we're going to use a wheelbarrow. You can push it along from point A to point B. If you don't have a wheelbarrow, you could use a wagon. To make it even more fun, you could have somebody ride in it, or you could just pile other stuff in it to make it heavier if it's too easy for your kids. On to idea number 4. A ratchet strap slackline, which a normal slackline is just a ratchet strap, albeit bigger and more expensive. So a little cheap $2 one will work. It's very difficult to do, but that's not the nature of it as being a knockoff one. That's just slacklines are hard. You just gotta find 2 trees or fence posts or whatever you have, attach it, cinch it tight, and you'll do fine.
Oh, Master, that's gonna be bad.
Are you ready for obstacle number 5?
Yes.
Good. Now I know you got some bungee cords lying around. Let's grab a couple more buckets. By the way, if you try my bakery hack for getting buckets and it works out, or if it doesn't work out, let me know in the comments. I'd be glad to hear if that's something that works anywhere or if it's just something I've had luck with here locally. Obviously this bucket's from Lowe's, so I'm a hypocrite. Anyway, take your bungee cord, strap it over the top of the bucket, and you can use these as stilts. Now they do fall apart fairly easy, but that's probably good, because if you were strapped in too tight, it'd be more likely that somebody's gonna end up with a sprained ankle. So it's kind of a built-in safety feature.
Oh my land, I'm so glad that you're finally taking some small steps to be safe, Jeff.
Well, you know, Safety Dad, having you around must be finally wearing off on me a little bit. So now you can take those 5 ideas, combine them any way you want, mix in some of your own, and have a blast with your kids in the backyard this afternoon without spending any money. But if you want to take your free backyard obstacle to the next level, check out this playlist right here, where I will show you how to build all sorts of backyard obstacle courses and ninja lines for almost no money. See you over there. Till next time, get out there and have a fun-sized adventure of your own. You guys are crazy.
Safety, 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 safety.